Hey everyone, Michael with Thistle and Twine. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be showing you how to do some outdoor greenery arrangements for the holiday season. So we'll go ahead and jump right into the video. You want to start with your thrillers first. Thrillers are your plants, or in this case branches, that have the most height. You want to either put those towards the back of the pot or in the center. In this case, I'm using red twig dogwood and birch branches. The next thing you want to do is put in your what we call spillers. So spillers are things that will kind of hang or drape over the sides of the pot. So in this case, I'm using cypress branches. The next thing you want to do is start putting in what we call your fillers. In this case, it's white pine, magnolia leaves, and pine cones. So fillers are the things that are going to give your arrangement the bulk that it needs. Lastly, I'm putting these black lanterns in my arrangements. They have battery operated candles which are on a timer, so it's really nice because when it gets dark out, they just turn on automatically for about 4 hours and then they go out. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it inspired you to get outside and do an arrangement yourself. If you like this video, make sure you like it. If you wouldn't mind sharing this with a friend or family member, that would be much appreciated, and we'll see you next time.